Welcome to Elimu TV. I'm teacher Alex Musawa and I'll be taking you through Physics Form 1, lesson number 31. Our title is The Electroscope. The objective of this lesson is we're going to find out how an electroscope works. What is an electroscope? An electroscope is an object that is used to measure the amount of charge that exists in an object. It consists of a metal disc, it has an insulation, and down there it has an earthing connection whereby there is an earth, and it has the glass window whereby you see how the gold leaf has been deflected. So we are going to see how you charge an electroscope by contact method. As you can see, we have an electroscope there. The first scenario, we're going to charge an electroscope by contact method. So as you can see, the electroscope has no charge. When the electroscope has no charge, the gold leaf and the metal plate are in contact with each other. They have fallen down. So when we bring a negatively charged rod before the electroscope, what happens? The negatively charged particles, they are going to be repelled downwards. And when they are repelled downwards, and then suddenly we take the rod, what happens? That they are going to redistribute themselves. And when they distribute themselves, since the gold plate is negatively charged and the metal plate is negatively charged, they are going to repel. So the gold plate deflects. Then charging by induction method. When we charge by induction method, what happens is that when we bring the negatively charged earth rod before the electron, what happens? Before the electroscope, the electrons are going to be repelled downwards. And when they are repelled downwards, we are going to earth. And when we earth, the electrons are going to move from the electroscope to the earth. What happens is that the positively charged particles are going to be left in the electroscope. And since like charges repel each other, the positive charged particles are going to repel each other. Therefore, the electroscope is going to deflect. What are the uses of an electroscope? The first use of an electroscope is to detect presence of a charge. When we have a negatively charged electrode brought before the electroscope, the gold leaf is going to deflect. And the same when we bring a positively charged object before an electroscope, what happens? The gold leaf is going to deflect. This shows that both rods have charges. Next, we have the applications of electrostatics. So you can see in some industries, they produce various gases and various substances which are very harmful to the atmosphere. So what they do is that they pass the substances, they charge the substances, and when they charge the substances, what happens when they charge the substances is that the walls of the chimney are going to be positively charged. And so what happens? They are going to be attracted on the walls of the chimney. Therefore, the substances are not going to be released in the atmosphere. Another application is in spray painting. As you can see, the paint is charged, and the surface on which they fall, they are going to be distribute themselves. For example, if we charge the paint positively charged, when it falls on the surface, they are going to redistribute themselves. So the painting is going to be in a uniform manner. And what are some of the dangers of electrostatics? We have, for example, when we carry some liquids which are very, very flammable, and the charges in the containers happen to be induced, what happens is that we are going to have some electric charges, and then they're going to cause fires to break in a place. That is the end of our lesson. And I have an assignment for you. Number 1, describe how you will charge an electroscope by induction method. Number 2, describe how you will charge an electroscope by contact method. Our reference book is Physics Form 1, 5th edition, 2019, KLB. For more information, contact us on our phone number, YouTube, Elimu TV, Facebook, Elimu TV, and Twitter at Elimu TV_KE. Thank you for watching Elimu TV. Stay tuned.